Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, finally, today, Apple officially unveiled its iPhone 16 line, with the most advanced features and improved AI capabilities. But on the other hand, the network has new details about the iPhone 16 Pro Max's biggest competitor, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to the latest news, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to feature a new cutting-edge 50-megapixels ultra-wide camera. One of the major upgrades that Samsung's next flagship smartphone is expected to bring is its camera. While it is rumored to keep its quad-camera setup, its telephoto and ultra-wide cameras are expected to get a bump up in resolution and sensor size. Today, the specifications of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's ultra-wide camera have leaked. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature a significant upgrade with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, according to recent leaks by Samsung insider Ice Universe. This advancement promises to elevate the photography capabilities of Samsung's flagship device to new heights. The device reportedly uses a 50-megapixel camera sensor with a 1 by 2.52-inch optical format, 0.7 micron pixel size, and an f1.9 aperture. Its specifications are extremely similar to the 50-megapixel telephoto camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but we can't be sure whether it is the same sensor or not. Additionally, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will also feature a 200-megapixel wide-angle sensor as its primary camera, promising exceptional photo quality. The device will integrate these sensors with advanced software and artificial intelligence to further enhance imaging capabilities. Moreover, the telephoto camera is set for an upgrade as well. The S25 Ultra will include a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom, an improvement over the 10-megapixel sensor found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. The other improvements that the phone is rumored to bring include the most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, up to 16 GB of RAM, and more rounded corners for improved comfort. The device will likely have improved Galaxy AI features and an Android 15 operating system based One UI 7.1 user interface. According to the news, the new Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thinnest Ultra flagship in Samsung history, and it will receive a larger 6.9 inches display with rounded corners and narrower bezels. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.